Oh no, I overslept. What time is it? I need to get ready quickly. Where is my phone? I can't find my keys. Hurry up, we're getting late. Did you brush your teeth? I'm skipping breakfast today. Wait for me. The bus is about to leave. Is this seat taken? Can you move a little? Thank you so much. Excuse me, this is my stop. I almost missed it. Sorry, I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. Let's get started. Can you explain that again? I didn't understand. That's a good idea. Let me think about it. What would you like to eat? I'll have the same. Can I get some water? This tastes really good. I'm full now. I'm so tired today. What a long day. I just want to relax. Today was messy. I was late, I rushed, I felt tired. But I learned something new, and I didn't give up. Maybe it wasn't a bad day after all.